So I'm near the National Stadium, and I am, walking towards a place where I can make a Zoom call. Anyway, I'm, reflecting on the last episode of my Street Brain Radio, and it was fun to talk about large language models and how natural language is so central to general intelligence. And it would almost seem that the AI has achieved singularity, more or less. Oh, there are so many people here. The National Stadium is here. Oh, it's so wonderful. And the fact that AIs have more or less acquired large general intelligence is astonishing with the help of natural language, and that I think shows how central natural language is for general intelligence. And it's also astonishing that they have done that without help of consciousness. As far as I'm concerned, large language models are not conscious. ChatGPT is not conscious. GPT-4, GPT-N, for that matter, would not be conscious. Although the one Google engineer thought otherwise for Lambda. So, whether this is architecture by Kengo Kuma, it wasn't wonderful, isn't it? All this wonderful greenery and anyway. So I think it's probably fair to say that 90%, 99% of human cognitive function can be done by artificial intelligence, large language models. But what about the 1%? Here I'm not being specific about the 1%. I'm just using the metaphor, approximation. And in my last episode of Street Brain Radio, I argue that in order for us to be sustainable, we need to have a continuous coverage of life's problems in a robust way. And even if we fail in 1% of the situation, cognitive tasks that we encounter, we will be over, because otherwise we wouldn't be able to proliferating and so I think the 1% issue is very important. Although now it might appear that consciousness is responsible for a very small portion of us, cognitive tasks. And if we talk about conscious supremacy, in analogy to quantum supremacy, it might actually represent a very tiny portion of cognitive tasks, and in principle, it could be done by large language models probably, or artificial language systems, or classical computer. But in practice, maybe it cannot be done because of computational limitations. So, consciousness probably would be here to kind of make a shortcut of cognitive tasks that would probably constitute 1% in a simple manner of cognitive tasks. And that 1% would be very crucial in a sustainability, in a robustness of biological existence. So, by the way, there's a One Piece exhibit. I don't know why it is here, but it's a collaboration between the National Stadium and the famed manga. Anyway, I think this analogy between quantum supremacy and conscious supremacy, if you like, I think is a quite interesting one. And probably we are here because of conscious supremacy. And I think, although large language models are capable of simulating tasks for 99% of the time, it'll be difficult for them to do the remaining 1%. And therein lies our supremacy, conscious supremacy. So this comparison between quantum supremacy and conscious supremacy would be really interesting. Anyway, I need to stop recording here, and I will start my Zoom call from here. See you around.